Once again, Happy New Year. Let this New Year 2021 brings in you happiness and colorful results. After the completion of our portion for the academic year 2021, now our next task is to revise some important part of chemistry, whether it is first part or second part. Special emphasis is given to the numericals. Then we give importance to the organic chemistry mechanisms. Keeping these 2 points in the mind, so let us go for revision. So once again, with good wishes, I welcome you all for today's session on some selected numericals on the states of matter. First problem, a gas occupies 1 liter under atmospheric pressure. What will be the volume of the same amount of gas under 750 millimeter of mercury at the same temperature? Here temperature is kept constant. Okay, so when the temperature is kept constant, I think we have to use the Boyle's law. Okay, so P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 equal to P3 V3 equal to constant. That formula, how much and whichever is applicable, that only you will take the formula. Okay, but it is mainly based on the Boyle's law. Okay, right. So initial volume 1 liter, correct? It is given in the numerical. No, initial pressure, how much it is? It is 1 atmosphere. A gas occupies 1 liter under atmospheric pressure, 1 atmosphere pressure. Okay. Now, what will be the volume? So that means the final volume, how much V2, right? So, what will be the volume of the same amount of gas under 750 millimeter mercury? So, pressure is 750 millimeter mercury. Okay. Now, here he has given in the atmosphere in the beginning, but here it is given in the millimeter of mercury. So please convert this into the atmosphere. 760 millimeter mercury means 1 atmosphere, or 1 atmosphere equal to 760 millimeter mercury. Okay, so 760 millimeter mercury means 1 atmosphere. 750 millimeter of mercury means how much atmosphere it is? 750 by 760 atmosphere. It is converted here. Okay, so we know V1, we know P1, we don't know the V2 volume final. P2 is already converted. Okay, using the Boyle's law, P1 V1 equal to P2 V2, P1 equal to 1, V1 equal to 1, P2 equal to 750 by 760 atmosphere. Then V2 we don't know. So after rearranging V2 equal to, you calculate it is 1.0133 liter, or in terms of ml. So it is 1013.3 ml. So either you can do by normal calculation, or you can use it by log table if you know the logarithmic. So because calculators are not allowed in the examination. Second numerical, second problem. How large a balloon could you fill with a 4 gram of helium gas at a 22 degrees centigrade and 720 millimeter of mercury? How large a balloon could you fill with a 4 gram of helium gas? So mass of the helium gas is given, and how much volume it is taking? That is the question here. Okay, so mass is given. So we will convert mass into the number of moles. Okay. So what is the formula for using the first chapter? Number of moles equal to, what is the formula? Number of moles equal to mass given by the molar mass. Okay. How much mass is given here? Mass given is 4 gram. And what is the molar mass of the helium from the table? It is 4. So number of moles equal to mass given by molar mass. That is 4 by 4, 1. So number of moles equal to what? 1 here. Okay. So this is done here. How much pressure? Pressure is 720 millimeter mercury. Again same. 760 millimeter of mercury means 1 atmosphere. Okay. Then 720 millimeter of mercury means how much? It is 720 by 760 pressure. And time equal to 22 degrees centigrade. And in terms of Kelvin, it is 295 Kelvin. And already N is calculated. Okay. So using the formula PV equal to nRT. Okay. This is N. So P we know. and V, how much we have to fill the balloon? That is the question. No, V we don't know. So N is given 1. R value, how much you have, because I told many values for the R, depend upon the unit. Here unit is atmosphere Kelvin. Okay. So accordingly you will take this value. Okay. Depend upon the unit, you take the what? R value. So I have taken 0.0821. Right. So temperature is 295. So keeping in mind Kelvin, atmosphere, the value of R is taken. Okay. So you please refer to the table, or the value of R will be given in the examination. Don't worry. So P into V equal to nRT. So V equal to 720 by 760 into V, PV equal to nRT. So therefore V equal to this term by this term, and after simplification you will get what? 25.565 liter. Okay, right. Now calculate the temperature at which 28 gram of N2 occupies a volume of 10 liter at 2.46 atmosphere. Same, using the same PV equal to nRT. Okay, right. So how much is the mass given here? Mass given is 28 gram. What is the molar mass of N2? One N equal to 14, other N equal to what? 14 plus 14, 28. So it is what? Uh, 28 by 28. Once again, here one only, number of moles equal to what? 1. So N equal to 1. So volume 10 liters. Okay. Now, what is the what? P how much here? P equal to 2.46 atmosphere. Already it is in the atmosphere only. See here. Calculate the temperature T at which 20 gram, you have to convert into the N, number of moles, occupies a volume. V is given 10 liters at 2.46 atmosphere pressure. Okay. So P is given, volume is in the 10 liter, N equal to 1. So using the PV equal to nRT. So 2.46 into volume 10 liters equal to N 1 R 0.021, because depending on the liter atmosphere per Kelvin per mole, that unit we have to take 0.021, right? And T we don't know. So please rearrange the T equal to how much? You will get the 299.6 Kelvin. This all you will come to know when you practice it. I am giving only the route and the guidelines. Now, a gas occupies 300 ml at 27 degrees centigrade and a 730 millimeter pressure. What would be its volume at STP, standard temperature pressure? Okay. So standard temperature pressure is what? The time pressure is on atmosphere, temperature is 273 Kelvin. Okay. So that means here we have to calculate a gas occupies 300 ml from the STP. Okay. So a gas occupies 300 ml at 227 degrees centigrade and 730 millimeter pressure. What would be its volume at STP? So at STP we have to calculate V. Okay, V1. So V2 is given. Why? What is the V2? 300 ml. Please convert into what? Liter. So 300 by 1000, that gives in terms of liter. So P, again same, using the atmosphere and the millimeter mercury. Okay, it is 730 by 760. So P2 is given, V2 is given, temperature at this 27 degrees centigrade into 300 Kelvin. So at a standard STP, P1 is given, T1 is given, V1 we don't know. So using the formula P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2. So you please rearrange for the V1, that V1 equal to what? 0.2622 liter, or in terms of water, milliliter by 1000, it is 262.2 ml. Okay, right. Now the pressure of the atmosphere is 2 into 10 to the power 6 millimeter at about 100 mile from the earth, and temperature is minus 180 degrees centigrade. How many moles are there in 1 ml gas at this altitude? You make it as altitude. Okay, right. Oh. So what is the pressure here? Pressure equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 millimeter mercury in terms of atmosphere. Same formula already I told. So it is by 760 atmosphere. What is the temperature? Temperature is minus 180. In terms of Kelvin, it is 93 Kelvin. Okay. So volume 1 ml. So please convert into the 1000. So it's 1 by 1000 in terms of liter. Okay. Liter. It is in Kelvin. It is in atmosphere. It is in liter. So you have to take R value in terms of what? 0.021. So PV equal to nRT. So P equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 760. So V equal to 1. So I have not taken here. So N, what is how many moles? That only you have to calculate in here. Okay. R, as per the unit, 0.021 I have taken. And temperature, how much temperature? 93 Kelvin, because it is minus 180 degrees centigrade. So please simplify n equal to how much? So transfer this here. So n equal to 3.45 into 10 to the power minus 13 mole. So today we have used the PV equal to nRT formula and Boyle's law, and P1 V1 by T1 equal to P2 V2 by T2 formula. So using these three, we have done some selected examples from the states of matter, and in next classes, still time is here. So slowly we'll discuss some numerical. Till then, keep practicing. Have a nice time.